My alarm clock rings, wake up please, then yawns and says, I'm tired, geez. It hides its hands at 8:30, says school can surely wait. It snoozes once, it snoozes twice, whispers sleeping feels so nice. Tick and talk go slow, so slow, I need more dreams before I go. Hey! It covers its face with a tiny beep, murmurs softly, let me sleep. The minutes dance but it won't try, I'm too sleepy, it lets out a sigh. It shakes a little, left and right, I work so hard all day and night, but sunshine peeks through window bright. Time to wake, no more night. It suddenly jumps with a loud tring. Okay, okay, let's do our thing. I stretch and smile, ready to play. My silly clock saves the day. Now every morning we both agree, wake up fast.